Akko and HMX teamed up to make this switch, and they said that this sounds best without foams. Welcome to 3 days of switches, of which I'll upload 3 switch reviews, finally ending it off with the mirror switches from Akko. These are light linears with a PA12 top, a modified nylon bottom, and a fork stem, and it states in their page that their purpose of designing the switches is to reflect or mirror the authentic sound of any keyboard as much as possible. That will be put to the test. Moving further along the spec sheet, it has an operating force of 37 grams, the same as the Cellar Rose we took a look at in the previous video. And from daily use, it's super light. I often mistype with this on my board, but that can be adjusted in a few weeks. I've used this extensively on my rack keymat, but for the sake of standardization, here it is with a Topo 2.0, alu plate, top mount with no foams. Enjoy! This being an Akko and HMX collab, I'd say it sounds the best out of the 3 switches I've reviewed. It sounds and feels so nice, and their claims of it sounding good even without foams seems to be kind of truthful, but then again, this is still based on what board you're mounting it on. I've enjoyed my time using this on the rack keymat, but I think I'll be replacing my NK creams on the Tofu for this. It's what I envision my Tofu to sound like, and I guess I just need to get used to the lighter springs. Otherwise, it's a nice switch. What do you think of this short series? Would you like more of this? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm John J. Vimaba, and I'll see you in the next video.